Hey guys, I thought I'd send you a little movie in case you get a yearning for a white Christmas. You can play this. I've been all around the house trying to find a window that wasn't fogged up. But yeah, we're having a little nor'easter, they call it. The storm's coming out of the east and going over above Canada, like and counterclockwise over Ohio, so we're getting a nice little storm. I don't know if you can hear the wind. There's Farmer's Bank, but you can't see the temperature. It's 25. And I'll show you Evie's blowing pine trees. There you go. Blowing in the wind. We don't have a lot of snow, so there's no cap on top of the bird bath, but we had 4 inches yesterday, but it all got rained and turned to slush, so this is like a second little storm we're having. Can you hear the wind at all? Hank's whining at me because I'm behind the door up to Seth's room. He's behind the door saying, "Hey, what you doing?" Anyway, so anytime that you write Ohio in the sand on the beach, you can remember the kind of weather we have here in this wintertime and probably not miss it at all. Okay, we'll see ya. Love ya. Bye.